morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade today, starting with some of the earnings that did come out post-market hours on Friday as well as over the weekend. Starting with PNB. Now, the company has actually seen a turnaround coming in the profits this time. The profits are coming at 586 crore versus a loss last year of 697 crores. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, also, we are seeing an improvement coming in the profits, where the profits are at 506 crores in the last quarter. But what could come in as a glitch is the gross NPAs were slightly steep. They come in at 14.12%, and overall, despite them being lower than the proforma GNPA, we are seeing a steep increase coming in the gross NPAs of the company. Now, overall, the stress as well as the slippages also is the highest for the bank in amongst the other banks as well. So that is something that we should be watching out for. And Q4 fresh slippages are actually at 23,185 crores. NIMs also, the global NIMs are at 2.68 crores versus 3.09 crores. So surely let's keep an eye out on PNB today at the market open as well. Moving forward, we do have Varroc also in focus, where the company's profits have actually grown by 53% and have come in at 46.53 crores, mainly boosted by the top line. So what is the growth coming in the top line? It's around 28%, 27 to 28% growth coming in for Varroc, and the revenues are coming at 999 crores versus 785 crores. Margins also have seen an 80 basis point expansion as well. So surely keeping an eye out on Varroc. Moving forward, we do have Baroque Engineering also in focus on the back of its earnings, where the revenues have grown by 32% on a year-on-year basis and have come in at 3,619 crores. While in terms of the losses, bottom line, yes, the losses have seemed to have widened marginally. It's come in at 144 crores, the loss, versus last year it was a 137 crores. So surely some widening coming in the losses of the company, and that could keep the stock in focus as well today. Moving forward, IndiGo also in focus after the company's losses are larger than what the street was expecting. The losses overall have seen a 2x growth of, the losses are 2 times that of Q3, and this is despite the capacity as well as traffic, which we're seeing at 25 and 23% quarter-on-quarter basis, which are up. Despite that, we're seeing the losses of the company being larger than what we were expecting as well. Mainly, that is mainly due to what is the reason behind the losses being higher is due to the weaker RASKs, Forex losses, as well as the overall CASKs also, which is excluding fuel, have been marginally higher than what was expected due to the supplementary rentals as well as the maintenances which we have seen coming in this quarter. So that is something that has put in some pressure over there on the bottom line of the company. Moving forward, we do have Bajaj Finance also in focus after the company came out with a mid-quarter update, where the company did highlight that yes, they could overall estimate the GNPA and NNPA in Q1 and Q2 could be higher, so that could be some pressure there. And overall, in terms of the company's growth estimate as well as the credit cost, the company is expecting a higher credit cost, incremental credit cost of around 1,100 to 1,300 crores versus what was planned for FY22, and the company estimates an impact of around 4,000 crores to 5,000 crores on the AUM growth plan for FY22. Other than that, the company also did say that the B2B as well as the auto financing business were the most affected majorly due to the lockdown situation which did come in. So surely let's keep an eye out on all these stocks today at 9:15 a.m.